Find the max of 2 or more columns with pandas.
I have a data frame with columns A,
B.
I need to create a column C such that for every record, row C equals max A,
B. How should I go about doing this?
You can get the maximum like this. And so, if you know that A and B are the only columns, you could even get away with. And you could use .apply max, axis equals 1, 2, I guess.
A DSM's answer is perfectly fine in almost any normal scenario. But if you're the type of programmer who wants to go a little deeper than the surface level, you might be interested to know that it is a little faster to call numpy functions on the underlying .to_numpy, or .values for 0.24 array instead of directly calling the siphonized functions defined on the dataframe/series objects. For example, you can use an array.max along the first axis. If your data has nans, you will need numpy.nanmax. You can also use numpy.maximum.reduce. Numpy.maximum is a ufunc, universal function, and every ufunc has a reduce. np.maximum.reduce and np.max appear to be more or less the same for most normal-sized data frames, and happen to be a shade faster than dataframe.max. I imagine this difference roughly remains constant, and is due to internal overhead, indexing alignment, handling nans, etc. The graph was generated using puffplot benchmarking code, for reference.
For finding max among multiple columns would be example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.